Holy shit. How'd she escape?
Ooh, you scared? I think you dropped your car, it's over, babe. Ooh, you scared?
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
Something you never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamt I held you.
I think it's very vital to rock around. That's right. On time. It's tricky. Here we go. It's tricky to rock around. To rock around. That's right. On time. It's tricky.
Wow, you can really dance. Wow, you can really dance. He went. They said we've both been dancing all this time. What a coincidence.
You to the room, no rules. That's a dub time suit. Beat it out the frame.
She ain't got no money.
Who's it gonna be? Father, brother, wife, husband.
Oh, it's all me. I spent a small fortune on costume and house.
Look, you say we always find a way around the problems. Yeah? You see, the thing is, now I am fucking drowning.
Very much, George.
Fiance. Yeah.
You kill that shade, so I won't listen to the hate parade. I know that I'm not everyone's cup of tea. Some people spit me right out now when they ask me to leave. That's when I
Charming な翼を引き下げて登場無敵で素敵な衝撃刺激的な症状誰もが自然
I like the way you talk, I like the things you wear. I want your number tattooed on my arm in ink, I swear. Cause when the morning comes, I know you won't be there. Every time I turn around, you're dead.
Okay guys, I would love to show all my four beautiful baby. So cute. They're all the same ages but just different sizes. So this start from this guy. It's a chubby one. It's really cute. Look exactly like Lebowski. And this guy is the Charlie Chocolate Otter. So cute. I'm not sure it's Otter or Silver Martin. And this guy is Lilac Otter. So cute. Look at the eye already open. By the way, don't judge about my nail. I know how to hold in the baby, so don't drama about that. This guy, the last one, is Broken Lilac Otter. Super cute. Please stay tuned and check it out on my Instagram.
You know, instead of waiting for a good day to happen, you know, waiting around through ups and downs, you know, I just said, look.
It's not a weekend. It's not a weekend.
know I got the sauce, I got the sauce. Yeah, hey, I got the sauce. Yeah, hey, 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 hey. Got the sauce, got the juice, every song that.
Doing nothing in life, but I gotta get rich. You could check the throwback pics, I've been that bitch. I'm a hot girl, I do hot shit. Finish income on my outfit. On my
Pónteme de espalda. Ahí. Ahí. Ahí.
Now from the top, make it drop, that's a wet, that's a wet. Now get a bucket and a mop, that's a wet, that's a wet. I'm talking wop, 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 that's a wet, that's a wet. Macaroni in a pot, that's a wet, that's a wet. Huh.
My basement playing Nintendo 64. I love you, but I'm not in love with spending time with you.
Easy. Time go fat, but I'm moving like I run a 44 flat. Shit changed, feel like I would never go back. Now I need a few chains and a gold black. Couple cold raps, cold cut, no sandwich. Shots steady go up, no damage. Pops told me roll up, no cabbage.
Todo el mundo casuleando dentro de la disco. Las mujeres sueltas y los titiraricos. Andamos perseados y el payaso que nos ronque le vamos a tumbar el circo. Y yo engrilleteado con la corte en la cintura y el blon en.
But sometimes I don't wanna be happy. Don't hold it against me. If I'm down, just leave me there, let me be sad.
Cause every single time we try to work it out, it just falls apart. I end up blaming myself, blaming myself.
Madame, do je S, do je gus, madame. She wanna fuck, madame. Wanna yes, yeah, queen, madam still, madame. Wanna yes, yeah, queen, madam still.
Have you seen the state of her body? If I beat it out wearing a Johnny Adiola, I wanna roll with a geezer. Is it me or the lifestyle, sweetheart? Actually, I don't give a shit. I'm a rapper now.
Wanna do with your life? Oh, daddy, do you know you're still number one? But girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have. That's all they really want.
Now look at this.
They call me Help, they call me Stacy, they call me Herb, they call me Jane. That's not my name, that's not my name, that's not my name, that's not my name. They call me Quiet.
I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you
the broken pieces of you, tearing out pieces.